In this video, I will show you how to route tickets by channel in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Next, at the top right of your screen, click on the Settings button. Once in your Settings board, scroll down and under Automation, click on Automation Rules. Once you're on the Automation Rules board, click on the New Direct Assignment button at the top right. In the pop-up, start by adding a rule name to identify your assignment. After that, click on the Add Target button. In the next pop-up, you can set your criteria and select the agent or team to assign tickets to automatically. Once everything is set, click Save. This way, your tickets and categories are automatically organized, making your knowledge base and workflow much more efficient. And that's how to route tickets by channel in Zoho Desk.